and welcome to my channel. How is everyone? I am super happy to share some products that PandaHall Selected has sent me. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to try some of their products again, and I am like, yes, I love your stuff. So let me just do an unboxing for you, and I will show you what I got. I am so excited. It comes so well wrapped and protected. So my first item is, they call these, I will tell you what they call these. They call these curtain cloths, but to me it is lace. Very, very fancy lace, and there is I think it's 1.5 meters of each one, so there is a lot. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors. And let me just show you. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. This is the gray one. I hope you can see that. It is absolutely beautiful. They are all the same style, I believe. Yes. So that's the gray one. This is the white one. So I hope you can see that. That's the white one. I'm going to take this bag away here. So that's the gray, that's the white. Then this is the black. Ooh, I just love them. They are gorgeous. These are going to be beautiful for journals. That is so there's the gray, the white, the black. And look at the detail on them. Excuse my hands. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. So that's those 3. And then here is like a tan color. I love this color. Beautiful. And here is a cream color. It's absolutely gorgeous. And you can see, look at the amount. Like it's, I think it's, is it 1.5 meters or a yard? I think 1.5 yards. So there's the cream color. And here is this one, this pink. It is absolutely gorgeous. And the quality, like, see, look at, you can't pull it apart. It's beautiful. It's amazing. So you get 6 different colors. So I think it's 8.5 meters altogether. Yes, I will wrap these treasures up very carefully. Look at all of this giddiness. I love it. I could just lay down here. I love it. Then they sent, or I picked a stencil, which was very nicely wrapped. You can see it was, you know, wrapped up so it would not bend, and wrapped in plastic. And then each one was wrapped again. So this one, I believe this one says Home Sweet Home. I want to make like a sign that says Home Sweet Home. And then for the inside of for the outside of my house, I want to make one that says Welcome. So this one says Welcome, and this one says Home. So here is the HOME. Okay, like that. And then we have the word home again. So it's Home Sweet Home. So there are those. And they are thick and good quality. Yeah, I am going to have a lot of fun with these. And then, I just wanted to show you this one. This one has the whole word sweet on it. So, like, you could just use that on something. Even just using that would be good. But these letters are really nice and big. Let me show you how big they are. They are 3 inches long, and the H is almost 4 inches wide. So they are a good size. And then this one has the word welcome, and then it has the little branches there, as you can see. I will try to get these out. So this is the how do you do it? This one. I think I got it backwards here. This is the WE, and then it has the little branches there. And then here is the LCO. And then here is the ME. So welcome. And then at the end of the word, it has that again. So yeah, again, these are very nice and sturdy, and I am really excited about working with these. So check out the links down below. I will link these products down below. You can check them out. Check out PandaHall Selected or Select, and yeah, go have a look-see. And they have little stars here. I didn't even show that, but yes, go check them out. I am really excited to get working on these projects, and we'll be back to show you what I have done. See you later. Thanks for joining me.